Hello everyone, I'm Top Varawut, the Minister of Natural Resources and Environment. Today we are at a brand new attraction in down south of Thailand in Krabi province at the National Park, Thารโบกขรณ National Park. Right here is a Got Hong Island and we are right at the top of a 360 degrees bird's eye view, a brand new check-in point for all the tourists. We are about 200 meters above the sea level, 419 steps to get all the way up here. But then again, you get to enjoy the views of 360 degrees all around you. So please come and visit us. We have many more to offer down south in the Andaman area, in Krabi province, in many other provinces. But at the same time, please do come and visit and help us preserve our natural resources, help us preserve this beautiful tourist attraction, keep us clean, bring all your rubbish back with you and don't litter us so that our children, our grandchildren and the next generations to come can enjoy what we enjoy today. Please come, please visit, please preserve.